There are some seeds that are easy to get. The fruiting seeds are extremely easy because you can cut into the fruit and you can see the seeds. This can be anything from tomatoes, watermelon, squash, bell peppers, etc. But how do you collect seeds of something that doesn't have a fruit? This can be anything from broccoli, carrots, celery, and lettuce. Well, I am here to show you just what to do. Lettuce is one of my favorite things to grow in the garden. There isn't anything like a salad made from fresh, unsprayed, unaltered, homegrown lettuce. If you like to grow lettuce, you will want to get in the habit of collecting and storing lettuce seeds so that you purchase a $2 packet of seeds one time, and that $2 will last you the rest of your life. Not only will you have a continual supply of seeds to plant for yourself, but you can share with friends and family or trade them with others for different gardening seeds. I grew lettuce over the winter months in my greenhouse. It produced beautifully. However, when it began getting warmer outside, it began to bolt. What is bolting? Well, bolting refers to when a plant directs its energy towards flowering and seed production. With lettuce, it starts to shoot upwards. The leaves become bitter because of all its production is going towards making it flower instead of producing edible leaves. But don't fret, you can still eat them in salads. As the lettuce begins to bolt and shoot upwards, flowers appear. Here you can see the tiny yellow flowers that it has produced. Then the yellow flowers will begin to form seeds. The seeds are held within the white puffs. If this was outside in the open, I would have to worry about the wind blowing the seeds everywhere. Luckily, in the greenhouse, this can be controlled. To make it easier, I have an empty bucket and I'm going to simply bend the bolted lettuce into it and rub off the seeds into the bucket. You can use just a paper bag if desired. As you can see, there are seeds here. They are small and oval shaped. They can range in colors from white, brown, and even dark gray. Now you can take the seeds and separate them from all the other parts, but I like easy and simple. I just dry everything I have here by leaving it out in a dark room for a few days. When it's time to plant in the fall, I just plant it all. It really is that simple. Have you collected seeds from flowering plants before? Which ones have you done this with? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.